Dear friends, once again welcome to my channel Genuine Reviews. Today I want you to pay attention to this high quality product named AFFIB2A. AFFIB2A is a high quality training kit that includes all the secret methods and tricks that will help you to make money from scratch from affiliate marketing. AFFIB2A contains video courses that consists of 44 training videos that are divided into 2 modules that will help you to get all the training to start up your business as an affiliate marketer from scratch. It doesn't matter that whether you are a newbie or a professional, it will help you in both ways. Below are some glimpse of the modules that you will get in this training course. Module number 1. Module 1 consists of these videos. Chapter 1 What is affiliate marketing? Chapter 2 Warrior Plus Overview. Chapter 3 JV Zoo Overview. Chapter 4 ClickBank Overview. Chapter 5 How to find affiliate products in any niche? And so on. Similarly, Module 2 consists of these videos. Chapter 15 How to do keyword research for Amazon affiliate blog? Chapter 16 How to find low competition keywords for your affiliate blog? Chapter 17 How to find best domain name ideas? Chapter 18 The niche site model for Amazon affiliate blog. Chapter 19 The versus site model to promote affiliate offers. Chapter 20 The alternative site model to promote affiliate offers. And so on. I have told in details about all the videos and modules on my website, whose link I have provided in the description. Friends, we all know that we all do have a hunger to get a good side income so that in case of any urgency or pandemic, we could continue with secondary income source. But unfortunately, we came across such platforms that promises to be genuine but at the end, it proves to be a scam and we end up losing our precious money. But luckily, in this video course you won't get any fake promises or hype. Instead you will get a full-fledged video course that will train you step by step to make money within a couple of months. Once again friends, it's not a get-quick-rich scheme that will make you millionaire overnight. You will have to follow all the videos that have been mentioned in this course and need to exactly do what have been told. Only then you will be able to see dramatic results within a couple of months. You will be able to see results like this. And like this. Moreover, you will get high quality bonuses along with the course that includes bonus number 1 AFFIB2A video course training guide ebook, bonus number 2 top resource report, and finally, bonus number 3 training cheat sheet. I have also mentioned out these bonuses on my website. Along with the bonuses that you will get with this product, I am also providing special 28 bonuses as a gift to all my dear friends, that will surely help you more in getting some extra revenues. Moreover, friends, in any case if you are not making any profit or you are unsatisfied with this product, you will get a special 7-day money-back guarantee as well. What more you can ask for? So, as a final conclusion, I would recommend you to just have a go and try this video training course and check out yourself. I also bet that if you follow all training properly, you will surely gonna see results that I have shown you. Also friends, if you do have any suggestions related to my video or any query related to this product, feel free to contact me on my below email or WhatsApp number. I would be very glad to answer your queries. Once again, thank you for being a part of my video. I will see you again with next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye folks.